Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford Focus SE model in a hatchback series. Oxford white in exterior color and accented with the SE Sport Appearance package. That package includes the body-colored lower bumper, side skirts and rear valence, body-colored mirror caps and door handles, halogen high beams, low beams, and a pair of halogen fog lamps, with a black honeycomb grille with a chrome accenting. Underneath that hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's paired to an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and gets great fuel economy. Focus offers a lot of great features, including keyless entry, power heated mirrors, a hardtop roof, 5-passenger seating, 4 full doors, and a hatchback. The SE features a backup camera, SE badging, rear window wiper, rear window defrost, and tons of cargo storage room. A black interior that offers power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. We have carpeted flooring, automatic headlamps, a heated steering wheel that has paddle shifters, cruise control, sync voice activated controls, and media center controls. We have a backup camera, AM/FM radio, optional Sirius radio with 6 months prepaid service, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost, heated cloth front seats, manual seat adjustments, and also the option to raise and lower the seat. We have a 60/40 split rear bench, lots of leg and headroom, a hardtop roof, second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage. We have a 60/40 split rear bench seat, lots of cargo storage room, carpet and rubber floor mats, and a cargo lamp. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.